As you go on this simple, profound journey, whilst listening to the commentary, experience the words as if they are emerging from your own mind and heart. In this way, it will feel more powerful and immersive. Begin by stepping away from the world. There is no need for force. Just mindfully step away from it all. Nothing needs to change for this moment to work. You just need to be present. You just need to be still and really listen. In the stillness, I notice there are numerous thoughts, and emotions are part of that internal motion of ebb and flow. In fact, emotions are always coming and going. But I notice something profound. That when the thoughts and emotions emerge, whatever their complexion or form, I was already here. I'm the one observing, assessing, choosing. Emotions, thoughts come and go, but I remain. And so I realize I am not the thoughts. I am not the emotions. I am the witness. I sit with this awareness for a little while. I watch another thought forming, and I notice the feelings attached to it. I again notice I am separate and distinct from this thought and the emotions associated to it. I am actually on the outside looking in. I am the one watching, and I choose not to attach to this thought, to these feelings. I can feel it, but I choose not to become it. This is not denial, it's simply acknowledging what is. Thoughts and emotions are messengers, not masters. They are messengers for the soul. It's in understanding this separation that I can find freedom. When I realize I'm the observer, I do not become attached to the object. And so, I can be liberated from the patterns and habits that I mistakenly think of as myself. I sit with this truth for a while longer and allow it to resonate through my being. I now notice these thoughts and emotions rising up in me are like the weather, and I am the sky. I can feel with this newfound consciousness that the moment I observe a thought or an emotion, it softens and it loses its power over me. Its grip weakens, its authority fades. I feel lighter, as if a great weight has been lifted. Power does not come from controlling emotions. Power comes from not being controlled by them. I rest now in the awareness that I am the silent witness beneath all the mental noise. When I stand back, my emotions speak clearly. They no longer need to shout, because I am giving them the attention they crave. From the position of the observer, wise responses become possible. Positive choice returns. I can feel fully, but still act wisely. This leads to integration, to peace, to clarity. I stay here for a while and feel my self-respect rising. I now promise to carry this experience with me, not as something I have to remember, but as something that has already begun to shape me. The next thing I do will carry the personality and the power of this shift in consciousness, which will keep unfolding, forever seeking positive expression in my life. I promise going forward that I will remember I am not my thoughts, I am not my emotions. They are messengers for the soul.